Hello, so how many times have you been told that you do not need money to do real estate investing? Well, I will tell you right now, if you have someone telling you that you do not need money, it is BS. So, here is the deal: people want to sell their products, they are going to tell you what you want to hear. How many times have you heard, "It takes no time, it's easy, it takes no money"? It goes back to the if it seems too good to be true, then it usually is. Always ask yourself, what do they want from me? Real estate takes money, there is no getting around it. The money either has to be yours or someone else's that you have access to. If someone is telling you that you do not have to have money, you have to ask yourself why. What are they trying to get from me? What are they trying to sell me? Look, when you are buying a property, you always want to use other people's money when possible, but that does not mean that you don't have any skin in the game, it just means that you brought less capital to the table. Last, you need to know the market you are working in, and you need to know your numbers. Make sure that you have done your research.